we are looking at how to pronounce this sound. What is the sound behind this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet? We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more sounds and the symbols from the IPA as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This is a very common sound in English, often represented by the letter J, but not only. This is a sound J, J. Some words including this sound in English include job, age, join, jumbe, and this is a very important sound to me. It's the first sound of my name, Julien. J, job, age, Julien. This is the symbol for the sound J. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and more symbols from the IPA, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.